Okay, gonna look at, I'm not an expert on this, but I'm gonna check it out, see what you guys think. Translate plus. So let's just go for the X first, and well, just rotates around that X, and the Y, and the Z. And that's it. So probably you're not usually not gonna use this. So let's go for point normal. What does that do? Well, let's pick this point, and it will rotate around that point. Around that point normal. Okay. So sometimes you want to do that. For example, if you have a sphere or something like that, or something similar. Segment. Just click this one and that one, and this is one thing that you're probably going to use a lot. And maybe even in this mode, if you click this point and that point, you can rotate it around that edge as well. Segment normal. Let's click here and here, and it will rotate around that segment normal. The interesting thing here, though, is that I can, for example, move this a bit over to the side. So you can see this is moving further down. So that's kind of interesting that I can actually move that. So if you want to offset this rotation for some reason, then you could use that. But usually you're going to use the segment normal probably for something else, like taking this point and that point and rotate it like that. Rotate it around the normal. So okay. Let's see. Yeah, there's one thing. If you rotate around that normal, sometimes this will have like 23 sides or something like that instead, so it then becomes impossible to do this accurately, and when you pick the points, it will kind of rotate it, well, I'm exaggerating it now, but it will rotate it in that fashion if you got 23 sides. So what you can do here is that you can click on that one, say make pole, and again go in here, point normal, and click on this one instead. This also makes it much easier to actually know how you're rotating this stuff. So what you would do then is you would just shift set and delete that point. I can't grab it now, but anyway, so that's another way to go about it. Yet another way, it's another plugin though, is I click on this one, select the connected, and rotate by using normal rotate. So that's very good. It also gives me the rotation angle, which is good, which for some reason Translate Plus does not. So whatever I do here, I mean, it's not gonna, if I write something here and say hit return, it's not gonna do anything. So same with this, it's not really gonna help me much. This one is another control though, and it's usually not used, just for offsetting, like I said, in segment normal. But this one should have worked, but doesn't, so be aware of that. I think that's about it. Um, these, you don't really need to touch them, not when using the rotate tool at least, as far as I recall. So yeah, just a bit on translate plus rotate.